Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to open the Disk Utility app on your MacBook. First, I'll show you the most basic method that works on every Mac using Finder. Go ahead and open Finder. On the menu bar, click on Go, then select Utilities. When the Utilities folder opens, look for the app named Disk Utility. Just double-click the hard drive icon to launch it. And here is the Disk Utility interface. Okay, let me close this so I can share another way with you. The second way is to use Spotlight on your MacBook. Go ahead and press the keyboard shortcut Command-Space. Then type Disk Utility. The Disk Utility app will appear right there, so just open it up. If you don't want to use Command-Space to open Spotlight, you can click the magnifying glass icon on the menu bar. Spotlight will pop up for you to search. And if your MacBook's dock hasn't been changed much, there's likely a Launchpad icon. Depending on your version of macOS, Launchpad might appear right on your dock. Go ahead and click on it. Here it will show all the applications you have installed on your Mac. At this point, you can swipe through and manually find the Disk Utility app. It will show up here as well. In this video, I only shared how to open the Disk Utility app. If you want to know how to use this app to format a hard drive or partition a disk, please check out the video I posted earlier. In that video, I shared all the knowledge you need to use this app proficiently. I'll leave the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more useful tips.